The Minister for Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, Lyngdoh, has responded to the recent demolition of a bust of the freedom fighter of the state, U Tirot Sing, by a mob amid unrest in Bangladesh. The bust, located at the Indira Gandhi Cultural Centre in Dhaka, was inaugurated in February this year, with officials from the Meghalaya Government present at the ceremony.
Yeah, I've just seen a video which was sent by one media person showing the destruction of the entire Indian Centre, the High Commission, and apparently, the statue erected in memory of U Tirot Sing also was demolished by a mob. So apparently, there's a huge anti-India campaign which is ongoing in that country, and in the process the attack was meant on the Indian High Commission, the Cultural Centre, and since the monument was erected within the premises of that centre, it also fell prey to these mobs of arsonists and rioters. According to the video, I think the bust is demolished, but the lower portion bearing the name of Tirot Sing is still intact.
The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.